Hello angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles. Yes guys, welcome back. Since after a long time we are meeting because of my marriage and all, and also I have one more problem, that is my laptop gave a real big time problem. So yeah, that's why I couldn't film after my marriage also. It's really a long time, so yeah, I was irregular, I admit it, I'm sorry for that. But yeah, my laptop problem is still not solved, so yeah, let's see how things goes. But now for today I'm going to unbox a very special box which you already know, which I have already filmed before also. So yeah, it's none other than the Glamego Box. Yeah, so this is the box which I received. So this is the most affordable box which I must say you, because for 1 month, for 1 month box, you only need to pay rupees 399. It's that cheap from other beauty subscription box, which you already know that how much expensive those boxes are. So yeah, compared to those beauty subscription boxes, this is the most affordable one. And also you get many products which are really wonderful and amazing one, which already crosses the amount of this box, which is rupees 399. So this month's box is really cute. It's an ice cream. Who doesn't love ice cream? I am really a fan of ice cream. I really love it. I crave for ice cream. So yeah, and it's a really cute box, cute little box, and it comes with a magnetic flip open thing. So the thing is that Glamego have improvised their box, I think so, from last month onwards, though I have not filmed last month's subscription box, but yeah, they have improvised their box with a magnetic flip open thing, which I think so many of the subscription boxes do have, such as one example is of my NV box, which do have this flip open thing. So yeah, this is a cute little one wherein you can use this box for organizing your different jewelry stuffs or anything you like. So once you open the box, this is the box, sturdy one, okay, and it's a cute little box which I really loved it, Glamego. Yeah, so yeah, now coming to the products which I received in this month's Glamego box is, so this month the theme of Glamego box is summer skin care. You can see it. There are products with SPF and sun protection, because you know how much heat it is in Kolkata. Oh my gosh, it's burning out here. So yeah, so keeping that in mind, the Glamego box have done a really good job. They have curated the products in that way. So the very first product which I received in this month's Glamego box is the star product. It is My Island Kiss lip moisturizer. As you can see, the packaging is only so cute. So yeah, this product is selected for eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018. Will leave your lips moisturized with a lovely tint. So yeah, this is the packaging. So you can see it, how cute it is. So yeah, it is organic one. So yeah, let's open it and show it how it looks like. So this is the tube. This is the tube, and this shade is bunny pink tint. So yes, this is the shade, as you can see. So it is petroleum free and it is non-toxic, and it comes for rupees 399. So yes, it is a wonderful star product of this box in this month. The second product inside this box is from a brand named Tjori. Now this is the brand which I have never used before, but I heard a lot about this brand from other YouTubers and in other subscription boxes. So yeah, this is the Tjori anti-tan pack. So yeah, it comes for rupees 525. Yeah, it is costly, and this box only comes for 399. You can imagine. So it already covers the real amount of this box which you have already paid. So yeah, this removes the tan with its perfect age-old formulation. So yeah, it contains turmeric, I believe, because I'm getting the smell of turmeric. So yeah, it is wild turmeric anti-tan treatment. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards this anti-tan pack because I have never used before. So it's a powdery kind of pack. So yeah, as you can see. So yeah, I'll use it and I'll let you know whether it have came for my help or not, whether it is useful or not. I'll let you know it. If you want to know it, please comment down in the comment section below. So yeah, so that I can film a video on how I applied this and how it turned out to be. So yeah, moving on to the third product of this box. So the third product is this NELF USA Compact Powder. So yeah, this is a fairness compact powder with UV and SPF protection of 18. So yeah, SPF 18. So yeah, it is for rupees 350, and this pack so this compact with SPF will protect your skin from harmful UV rays. So yeah, I have ordered for 01 shade, but I don't know why I received 02. So yeah, 02 is not my shade, but you know what? To my surprise, when I used this shade, it really went well. As you can see, I have only applied this compact powder today. I have not applied anything on my face today, but you can see it is going with my skin tone. So I believe, see, different brand have different shades and it varies, you know. So this shade really goes with my skin tone, that is 02, but I thought 01 will go because I have gone for the fairness one, but the medium one suits me better. So if you are of my skin tone, you can go for 02 shade. It's a real nice shade. As you can see, only I have applied this compact today. The fourth product is from a brand called Vedic Klein. So Vedic Klein Gold Facial. So yeah, it comes for rupees 350 and it is a perfect Ayurvedic therapy to brighten your skin and protects from sun rays. So for gold facial and all, we always look forward towards parlor. So you can get parlor at home now. So let me open the box and see what all are there inside this box. Okay, so I have got many sachets inside this box. So yup, and it is given like step 1, step 2. So step 1 is cleanser, step 2 is scrubbing, step 3 is cream. So you'll apply cream. Step 4 is massage gel, and step 5 is the pack, and step 6 is the serum. So yeah, everything is written over here, like step 1, step 2. I don't know whether you are getting it or not. It's not clear, I believe. So yeah, you can get gold facial at home. What can be more better than this? So I am a lazy bun, so I'm really reluctant to go to parlor every month. So yup, for me, facial at home is really a great thing. I believe you also will agree to it. So last product inside this box is a summer treat. It comes for rupees 150 and it is a surprise product. So people will get different product. I received this Bath and Body, natural Bath and Body clarifying face mask, sea clay. So yeah, I received this product, and let me see. It is packed, but the smell is really nice. So this face mask, you have to apply this mask to your face and neck, and do avoid contact with eyes. So yeah, let it dry and rinse it off with warm water. You can use it twice in a week or as often as needed. So the good thing is that it is not tested on animals. So yeah, this is a really good one. And for clarifying your face, for cleansing your face, this mask will really do a good job. So let's see. I have never used this clay, so first I'll use, then I'll give a review. Then only I'll be in a position to give a review on the product. So yeah, that's all for today's video. These all are the products which I received in my April month's Glamego box. So if you want to get yourself a similar Glamego box, then check out the website below, which I have provided in the description box. Do check it out. And yeah, it is really affordable one. For 1 month you will get it for rupees 399, and accordingly for 12 month, for 6 month, for 12 month you will receive the boxes accordingly, and the prices will vary accordingly. Like for 12 months I think so only you have to pay rupees 299 per box. That means 12 boxes you will receive, so per box it will cost you rupees 299 or so. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, take care, and do not forget to smile. Love you all.